What's up, guys? It's me, ZF2R. I'm going to give you a rundown on my fully custom completed bike. I'm only waiting on a few more parts, and then it's going to be completely finished. And I guess here we go. We're going to start from the front and end to the back. Alright, here we go. So I got Eastern purple forks that I repainted myself. They don't look too bad. And I have an Eastern front rim and front hub. Not too sure what the front tire is, but I'm gonna be getting a new front rim on Monday. This coming Monday. It's Sunday right now, and it's gonna look like my back rim, and I'll show you that here in a minute. Then I have a demolition stem. I don't know if you can read that or not, but if you can, then it's a demolition stem. I have an Eastern integrated headset. And then I have stolen cell bars with Shadow Conspiracy grips and bar ends. And then I have a We the People arcade purple frame. Then I have a Shadow Conspiracy 28 tooth sprocket with a Shadow Conspiracy chain. And for pedals, I have stolen Thermalite pedals SPs. They're extremely light. I went from these demolition metal pedals. I mean, they're pretty light as well, but Thermalites are better, in my opinion. I have salt cranks. And for the back hub and back rim, I have an Eastern back hub, back rim. And that's what my front rim's going to look like. And then I have an Animal GLH tire, and then I have an Eastern Bikes tripod seat, and I think that would pretty much be my bike check. So I've changed from this stolen rim right here. It's not too bad of a rim, but I'd rather have my Eastern rim, and then of course the demolition pedals. But, yep, and then I'm just waiting on my front rim, and then it's completely done. So, guys, be waiting, and it will be incredible. I also have to get new grips and bar ends. I'm thinking about getting ODI long necks. Comment, rate, and subscribe, and tell me what you think. And I guess I'm out. See ya.